Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2015 Dodge Durango. This is an RT. It's got 96,000 miles on it. It's clean title, clean Carfax car. We can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. It's got 96,000 miles on it. It's been very well taken care of. It's super clean inside and out. Our customer has used it as a family rig and traded it in on an M550 X drive. I was just looking for a more enthusiasm and more of a driving car. So super clean. It's a blacktop package, meaning it's got specific wheels and black badging. It is all black on black on black on black. Had a $48,000 MSRP. It is an RT, so it's got the 5.7 Hemi in it. It's got a tow package on it. Super clean. So it's a far cry from the old Durangos. You can see dual exhaust. It sounds good. Of course, the Hemi's a great sounding engine. So it's $48,000 new. So pretty good value for what it is. Plus, coming in SUV season, time to be driving in bad weather. You're right around the corner. So cosmetically, it's clean. You do have captain's chairs in the back, so some people like that better than the bench because it does make access to the third row easier, as opposed to if this is a bench, it is quite a bit harder to access the back. So you can see the rear seats are they're clean, very clean. Trim. So it's got an upgraded stereo. They did a stereo by Beats. It does have a pretty nice sound system, so a little wear on the door handle here. Leather's in good shape. Interior is super clean. I've got one master key. I have the original window sticker and books. We have some service records also. So there's the one master key. It is push button start. Pull the window up. Close the sunroof just so that you know that it works. And let me turn that down. Just off for the minute. So passenger side door, passenger side seat. Clean. Dash. Clean. So here's the original window sticker, as I was mentioning, $48,000 MSRP. It's a nice build. It's not extensive, but it's good enough to make it interesting. So you have a low range here and all-wheel drive auto, which is nice. There's your transmission, USB, SD reader, aux input, charging outlet here. Let me turn the lights on so you can see the dash a little bit better. So climate control, you have heated seats, so if you go in here to controls, so heated seats, heated steering wheel, mirror dimming, everything's touch screen here. So you have AM, FM, satellite radio, you have media interface, so Bluetooth device, climate control stuff, your apps, and information. So, and this is a dual screen, so you've got everything on here, and then you hit another. You've got your settings, turn your screen off, Wi-Fi, the store, climate control is off, navigation, map, Bluetooth, and backup camera. So, I mean, pretty straightforward stuff for today's vehicles. Yeah, up here you have 3 buttons that are programmable for security gates and garage door openers, sunglasses, and then interior lighting stuff. Paddle shifters, so on the right you have an upshift, on the left you have a downshift. This is your onboard computer stuff on your display, so you can scroll through that stuff, pick what you want to display, how you want it to look. This is Bluetooth activation, voice command, hanging up, answering. The right side is cruise control. I'm trying to think of anything else. I think everything else is pretty straightforward. So we've got books here, as I mentioned, and we do have some service records. It has been well taken care of mechanically and cosmetically. So, let me turn the lights off. Anyways, a lot of car for the money. It's been well cared for, super clean. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.